Today in this quick video, I will show you how to root Termux without root, so let's get started. Step 1. Update the Termux using the pkg update command. If you have any issue with the Termux update, you can check this video to resolve your issue. Step 2. Execute pkg install proot-distro. Tap on Y for yes. Step 3. proot-distro list. Now from this list, choose any distro that you love. I will choose Ubuntu here. So now install Ubuntu by executing Proot distro. Install Ubuntu or any distro that you wish to choose for. Now this will download you Ubuntu CLI interface in Termux. Step 4. To log in into Ubuntu, type this: proot-distro login Ubuntu. Now you can see root at localhost. This is how you can get a root shell in Termux. You can also check using the su command and the whomi command. Well, that's it guys. Now you got root at Termux. Hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to hit like and comment down if you got any issues. Check out more Termux tutorials by clicking here. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.